In a highly anticipated return to The Tonight Show, host Jimmy Fallon faced mounting criticism for not publicly addressing workplace allegations that came to light in a Rolling Stone investigation published in September. Although Fallon had privately apologized to current staff in a Zoom meeting on the day the investigation was released, former employees expressed disappointment that he hadn't extended the same public acknowledgement to them. While some current staff may have found closure in Fallon's private apology, many former employees felt left out, wishing for a more public and inclusive acknowledgement of the allegations. Several former staffers highlighted the constant change in showrunners and leadership teams, as well as allegations of erratic behavior by Fallon, contributing to an unhealthy work environment that affected their mental well-being. Despite the seriousness of the allegations, Fallon did not address them on The Tonight Show, through his social media accounts, or even on his podcast co-hosted with fellow late-night hosts. The former employees expressed a desire for Fallon to use his platform to take responsibility and publicly address the workplace allegations. Fallon's private apology to current staff was described as earnest, with him expressing regret and a desire for the show to be inclusive and enjoyable for everyone. However, the absence of a public apology left former employees feeling unheard and disappointed. Some former staffers drew comparisons to Fallon's response when criticized for wearing blackface in a Saturday Night Live sketch in 2020. At that time, he had issued an on-air apology to his audience, emphasizing the importance of speaking genuinely. Despite their disappointment in Fallon's response, former employees acknowledged that they weren't surprised, believing that both the show and NBC preferred to let the issue fade away rather than draw more attention to it. They expressed hope that the allegations would lead to positive changes behind the scenes at The Tonight Show. In conclusion, Jimmy Fallon's return to The Tonight Show was marked by controversy, as he faced criticism for not publicly addressing workplace allegations, leaving former employees disappointed and wishing for a more inclusive acknowledgement of their concerns.